Here's our Moen faucet. It kind of broke on us once again. So this middle section broke out. Right there, it fell out. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. I mean, after all, it's pretty old at this point, but Moen is for life. And they replaced the hose like 3 years ago, so I PM'd them within the same messenger window, and they were like, "Is it the same faucet?" I was like, "Yes, it is." They confirmed my home address, and they mailed out a part. There's the part number. Moen, buy it for life. So they mailed that to us free. I didn't have to pay shipping or anything. So this is the whole head. So they sent out a whole new head, and we have it taped so that way when you turn it on, it comes out the sides, not just the middle. Otherwise it was shooting so hard it was just splashing everywhere. It was a mess. But here we have the new faucet head from Moen. Look at that. See, that part's what fell out of the old one. So all I need to do is take a crescent wrench. It shouldn't be on that hard. There we go. Loosen it. And there we have it. There's the old one. There's a little screen in here. It looks clean. It looks fine. Put that back. Well, we'll see if the new one has one. It has a cap on it. Take off the cap. Okay, there's a screen in there. So that looks good. Assuming everything is out that I need out. Not 100% sure. Okay. Remember, it's plastic. So there we go. Probably good. Pull it out, turn it on. See, we're back to a normal stream. No leaks up here. Slide that back up. You know, that's what it should look like. A close up for y'all. So this is what it should look like on spray, and on normal it should come out of the middle like that, kind of aerated versus a hard water pick type stream. So I gotta say, I really like Moen because buy it for life, man. They stand behind it. Like I said, I just reopened that chat window from 3 years ago and said, "Hey, got a new problem," and sent a couple pictures of it, just the middle section missing, pouring out, and they said no problem and sent me this. So we are good to go. They will need your name, your address, and where and when you purchased it. I pretty much believe we purchased this at Home Depot, but they don't hold you really to it too much. Like, you don't have to provide a receipt. At least I haven't had to do that, and I just took a guess that it was maybe 2009 that we installed this, and they seemed happy with that, and they sent this out. And here's another video, and you can check out the other video I have of them sending me out the new line here, because over time the plastic in here, it's just plastic under this stainless steel threaded hose. It will crack and it will leak, and then you need a new one. They sent that out. They sent this out. It matches. It's the right finish. That's what I was worried about. Like, we don't even make that anymore. I don't know what they would do. Honestly, I would have been happy to pay a little bit of shipping to get this. I would have probably been more than happy if they, let's say, down the road they don't make this anymore. That, just give me a good discount on a new unit. I put a new unit. I realize things over time will and do wear out. So anyways, hopefully this helped you all out. Contact Moen. I just did it through Facebook Messenger. They seem to be pretty active with their Facebook Messenger, and they do respond right away. I mean, I heard within a day. So that's pretty dang good. So hopefully this helped you all out, and I definitely will be checking out Moen for when we do our bathroom remodel. So have a good one. Bye.